was our emergency voice evacuation amplifier. With the continuing subject of mass notification coming up more and more with engineers and with clients. It supports the UL 2572 in the States and the ULC 576 in Canada. It checks off all the boxes: monitored speaker lines, backup power, a digital message repeater that's built in for emergency messages. This particular unit is 6 zones, but it can be expanded to 60. When an emergency happens, a log is engaged internally and records all the different things that happen during the emergency. You can even actually have communication between our VM3000 and the existing fire panel, so that if the first responder arrives, when he engages the microphone, it will mute the horns and bells and he can address the building's occupants. And then when he lets it go, the bells and horns start again. If you combine our VM3000 with the different speakers that we have that carry fire ratings, you're going to have a code-ready system for your facility, and that's what's really important. So you might be thinking to yourself, I have a fire panel that already has an emergency voice announcement. Why would I need this? I think that something that makes this system unique is that, yes, you can use it for emergency announcement, but it's also, you can use it every day for everyday messages. You can play background music through it.
Hello, thank you for joining me for another edition of Mic'd Up with Mike. Let's see what we've got on the table today. Ibrahim, tell us a little bit about each device and what it does within a full M8080D system.
I will start with the remote paging microphone. The M800RM remote paging microphone is a paging microphone that can address 1 to 12 different zones or outputs. Moreover, a total of 2 M800RM can be used in a system, which makes a lot of possibilities for message paging. Next is the M804EX. This is a port expander featuring a star connection of the controllers. This interface is particularly useful when daisy chain between devices is not possible or when the controllers are far away from the M8080 DSP. Now I will jump to the controllers. I will start with the M800RC. This volume controller can be assigned to any output of the M8080D. It can also route any input to any output in a similar fashion to the software. Next is M802RC. This has the same functionality as the M800RC volume controller, but it includes 2 additional analog outputs. Now to the M822IO. This is a remote audio input and output module providing 2 analog channels as inputs and 2 analog channels as outputs. And I will end with the M800RCT. This is a wall mount 4.3 touch LCD volume controller. This volume control can be assigned to any output of the M8080D. It can also route any input to any output in a similar fashion to the software.
Wow, that is fantastic. The entire system provides in-depth control and ensures that users have the ability to configure the system as they need to. This concludes our review of TOA's M8080D digital matrix mixer system. I would like to thank Ibrahim for his involvement in this video.
Let's go over why TOA is so excited to offer this SIP audio and video intercom system to the market. The Master Station has an intuitive touchscreen display with Android-based software. The most important thing to take away from this video is that the TOA system integrates with a variety of SIP servers, including Cisco, Avaya, Astrix, Genetec, and others. It also integrates TOA's N8000 intercom via the SIP gateway software. The system is also capable of peer-to-peer communication with unlimited stations through our SP11N module. The multimedia station, NSP80MS1, provides video conference capabilities. The multicast transmission enables paging to multiple zones through the multimedia station integrated to our N8000 system for two-way communications. Now let's take a look at each individual piece of equipment. Let's examine each individual station a little closer, starting with the multimedia station, which consists of a 7-inch touchscreen providing excellent video definition. The station is Android-based, allowing for easy customization of settings, making it inviting for end users. Also, you can have the option of using PoE or local power to run the station. Our SIP video door station transmits images at 1080 HD resolution for high-quality images on the SIP Master Station. It uses infrared LEDs for low-light situations. It is also compatible with major audio codecs for easy integration.